Naka, bia.
Iche.
Bia.
Iche. Hey.
Your wife has defaulted the masquerade court. And the youths are there gathering now, getting ready to mine down here and burn this house down.
Yes, so. Chief, how can you allow that to happen? How? No. Please, you can't be in this village and allow you to burn down my house. No, now, Chief.
Naka, this is beyond me and you. Don't chief me. Why you not there when your wife defaulted the masquerade court?
Chief, please don't. You have to help me, please.
Help you do what? Help you do what?
Okay.
How did I default them?
Okay.
When they broke my bucket and threw the gallon on the floor and flogged Azuka, where were you? Now you are here. I saw them. It was okay. And that round boy. I saw them now. An old boy. I saw them. I seized their shit. I'll burn it down.
Naka! Inanukwa!
Please.
They are talking about the what she did before she's doing. Naka, she has unmasked the masquerade.
Don't listen to her.
Elo, you have married.
Go.
You have married.
Go. Don't disturb us. Go.
Please. Look, let me see how you will not provide 21 goats, 15 tubers of yam, 14 kola nuts, any Gigi, set a fly eye. And other etc.
They are disturbing us here. Go.
Okay.
Go and buy it and boil it.
Okay. Okay.
I snap you now.
We shall see now.
Don't tell me that nonsense.
We shall see. I'm going, I'm going.
Hey, go.
So well done.
When you're hungry now, you want to come and bring another new rule. You want to eat goats. Why
are you doing this now?
You still want to eat goats?
Madam Trouble.
How can you still want to eat goats?
21 goats. How?
Honey? Where am I going to get 21 goats? Mazibe, I'm finished.
Mazi, I am finished.
Naka, what?
Hi, I am finished.
What happened?
Iche Ude just left my house. He said that the youths and masquerade people are coming to burn down my house.
That what happened?
Eliza went to fight masquerade people.
I knew it.
It's a fourth masquerade.
I saw this thing coming. I knew it. I knew she would do this.
He said,
help him now. Say something.
He said they find me 21 goats. 21 goats. 15 tubers of yam. 7 fowl. And so many other things I can't even remember. Where do I get the money to buy these things? Where? Hey!
Say something now!
And if you don't provide them, you will certainly burn down your house.
That is where the problem lies. That is the problem! I don't have money to provide them and they will burn down my house. What do I do? Hey! You have to help me talk to Iche Ndoka. Hey!
You go. If you want me to go down, you go. Hey!
I will talk to the elders. I will talk to the elders.
Hey! Please, my elders. I am begging. I am pleading. See, things have been so hard. In fact, things were already bad for me. That was why I left the city and came back to the village for good. I cannot afford these things you are demanding. I can't afford it. Please, just have mercy on me. You can't do this to me. Please.
My fellow elders, please, we are pleading. Tamper justice with mercy. Please. Our people said that Ometuimi. All of us own the Masquerade. All of us are in the Masquerade court. Please, we are pleading. Please.
But what must be done and be done well. After all, she defaulted. Nobody sent her. Did we? Ayoziriye?
Mazude, we are aware. And we are also aware that there is a solution to every problem.
Yes,
we know.
We are aware.
We are just pleading. We are begging you, as leaders of this court, please cut down on the fine so that we'll be able to afford it.
Yes, she needs to be taught a good lesson so that others will not toy with her masquerade.
Huh? A woman for that.
A woman to toy with her masquerade. No. Naka, get up. Just get up from there.
Thank you.
Thank you, my fellow elders. I thank you very much, my fellow elders. I thank you very much. We have one goat, one fowl, and 4 kola nuts.
Yes.
Please, we are pleading. We plead, please accept what we have.
A second.
Mazude,
A second. One
kola nuts.
Please.
Okay, go to a yeah. One in all this abomination.
We know. We are begging.
Okay. It will not spoil in my own hand. But you know that she will be the one to prepare all these things herself.
Yes.
At Naka's house.
Yes.
And all the drinks. All the all will be complete. There will be no for that side though.
No problem.
No problem. Did anybody send that?
We thank you.
Thank you very much.
Eliza, you have to calm down. Please, just calm down. This is a very big temptation. I pray that our men will be able to calm the elders and the youth. Else it will be very disastrous. I don't like it.
It will be disastrous. They should plan their own. I will also plan my own. What do you put me? Somebody intimidated us, broke my bucket, threw Azuka's gallon on the floor, flogged Azuka on top, and you are here supporting them. Do not worry. I will show them something. I will show them. They should go ahead and plan. Me too. I'm getting ready for them. You think I'm not kind of person that can intimidate? Huh? I brought more.
Eliza, you a woman. Take it easy. You cannot win against tradition.
Okay.
You cannot fight against it.
No problem.
And you cannot win, that is it.
No problem. They should plan their own and win. Me too, I will plan my own in my own way and I will win. They will not intimidate me. I will show them. By the time I am done with them, they will differentiate who is mad and who is completely crazy. Which happens to me. I will show them. I will first of all spray them perfume. Psiom, psiom, psiom. Sisi meow, sisi meow, sisi meow. Tan tan tan, kwam 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 kwam, kwam 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 kwam. They will see.
In fact, I don't even know where to start thanking you people. I don't know. What would I have done without you? What?
Naka.
How come on the guy Jacka? I see now. You have us. We are your kingsmen. Yeah. We are your backbone. So don't worry. Don't worry. Hey, that reminds me. I have one fowl at home. I'll bring it. I'll bring that.
That is out of it.
Hey! Thank you.
Don't worry, don't worry.
Naka, this is what a bad wife can cause. I must tell you, Eliza is a woman with issues, and you need to warn her.
Yes, yes.
I have a goat at home. I'll bring a goat. Yes.
Naka! Wait. Listen, we are your backbone.
Yes.
So, I will provide the cola nut and the drinks. I don't even know what to say. Don't worry. Let's go home.
Let's go home.
Let's go home.
Let's go home.
We get everything.
Let's go home.
It is well, my brother. It is.
Yeah? Do not just go there. Do not just go there. Don't you dare begin to blame me for this issue on ground now. People intimidated your wife. Men intimidated your own wife. Instead of to stand up for me, you're here blaming me.
Stand up for what? Stand up for what? Why are you like this? Why? Why are you always tormenting my life? Why?
I do not blame you. I do not blame you at all. They know that you are weak. That is why they have fined you to go and bring goats. Because they know you will be scared. You are poor now. You rush and go and bring it and give it to them.
You see your life? You see your life? If I did not go to meet some of my kinsmen who followed me to go and beg, where would I have got money to buy 21 goats? Well, you should thank your lucky stars. At least I begged them and they accepted to take 1 goat and 1 fowl. See, the punishment is that you will cook it for them and also beg them.
All I have to do is cook the goat meat and then apologize to them.
Yes, now.
And they will eat it. Go and sleep. I will do that. I will cook it and I will also apologize to them.
Hey, if you have been doing like this now, there won't be troubles. Right, let's go inside and sleep.
Who is we? Who is let's? I said I am not sleeping in that place until you repair it. Into your chirigi? As in let's go there and sleep.
You want to make it a habit to sleep here?
This is my new room. I will sleep here until you fix that room.
Well, no, we don't have to quarrel about it, though. Like I said, I went to see some elders, and they were talking about one evil spirit that comes out once in a while and attack people who are not well grounded in the village way of life. I didn't even understand what that means, but I maybe city people. No, I just said I should. No, just said that evil spirit is walking around.
Where do you think you are going? Huh?
I'm going inside.
I will not sleep inside that room. I'm going to sleep right here. Until you fix that room. I'm not moving. Oh! And you left me outside.
No. Sister, you called me.
Yes, Nkechi, I called you. Please go to my room. In my handbag. Take money and go and buy me 3 bottles of stout.
What? Sister.
Shh, play your voice.
Sister, what do you mean? One is okay. Now why do you want to take 3 bottles of stout, Abi beer? I don't understand.
Huh? 3 bottles of what?
Papa, she wants to forget her sorrow, so she wants to take 3 bottles of stout.
Huh? Why?
No! Beer. Me. No, Papa. Don't lie down. I'm not drinking anything, no.
Listen, my daughter. You don't have to use alcohol to drown your sorrows. All you need now is prayer. Prayer. It is only God that can calm you down. You need to pray very hard and read your Bible. Please. Please.
I've hate you, Papa. I won't drink again. But Papa, anytime I remember this my sickness, it makes me cry, Papa.
Papa, when will all these things stop, Papa? Will this ever stop? Don't you think that this sickness will make men run away from me, Papa?
Believe me when I say that God will take care of this issue at his own time. There is nothing that is impossible for God to do. Just believe me. Pray and read your Bible, please.
They think they can make me afraid of them. They think that I, Eliza, will be afraid of them. They thought wrong. No problem. They have judged in favor of the Masquerade. No problem. I will just leave it in God's hand.
Hope you slept well last night.
What kind of foolish question is that? Is it your night? Or is it your slept? Did I use your eye to sleep? Go and ask your Masquerade people if they slept well. You have chosen their side already. I don't want any problems.
Me. See, I know you're upset. I'm sorry. But the truth of the matter is that if you did not attack them, by now, they would have been the one paying fines.
You're welcome, sir. Good morning.
Hey! You brought the goat already?
Oh, yes.
Hey.
Be careful with it, it's very stubborn. Take it.
Hey.
My wife will come with the items needed for the cooking of the goat.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi. Eliza, how are you?
Honey? Honey? Didn't you see him?
Burago. Eh? What if I saw him? What if I heard him? What will change? Huh? What will change if I saw him or heard him? You have all picked your side. You said the Masquerade people were right. So stay there. Injustice. Just because you want to eat meat. You chose the side of the bad people. No problem. I'll leave it in God's hand. Don't worry, no problem at all.
I am very sorry about it. Very sorry.
Yes. Naka, you don't have to be sorry. I am not a visitor here. It is what we have signed. Let me go and remind Okaka and the other chiefs if they have, in case they have forgotten about today.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Honey? You brought goat.
I can see it. He looks exactly like the goat he brought. I can see it.
This is unbelievable. Eh? So Ure is gone. What sort of creatures are women? Eh? In fact, I should be thankful to God that she's gone, because she's gone for good. Yes. I wonder what will have become of me in this marriage. Thank God she's gone. Yes.
Hi, Ben. Good morning.
Hello, Gloria. How are you?
I'm fine.
Please,
I'm sorry the manner I spoke to you yesterday. I'm so sorry. Please pardon my manners, please.
It's okay. We all knew drink was at work. I came to find out how you're doing.
Well, I am happy and I am not happy. I'm equally ashamed of myself. Well, I can say thank God that she's gone, but all the same, it's not right for me to walk into a marriage and jump out of the marriage just like that. I'm not happy that I'm single. Someone who was once married, suddenly is no longer married. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. But I'm happy because Ure, I don't know the kind of a woman she is. In fact, I have to be very careful with women these days.
Just sorry about that. But first, you have to put yourself together and then see what happens later. If she comes back, fine. If she doesn't, you don't have to bother yourself. After all, there are so many good and beautiful girls around. Even here in our compound.
So many good and beautiful women. Gloria, my experience so far, I have to be very, very skeptical about women. I tell you the truth. Okay, thank you.
Don't bother yourself. There are so many beautiful girls in our compound.
Once again, I want to thank you all. And I am particularly happy that today we have come to a mutual agreement over this issue.
Oh yes.
If you got Nnaka here, my brother, he's a very gentle man. He's not troublesome. We all know him. And his late father, very gentle man, still well. No troubles in this world though. And that's why we call him Mr. Perfect. You see, the problem we men have in this world is women. Now we can't do without them. That is why God says that behind every successful man there is always a woman. We can't do without them. Thank you.
Ikuchago? It's a bad draw. It's okay. That is why we will accept whatever you people bring. Whether you reach or you no reach.
Don't worry.
Huh?
Thank you very much.
We'll take it like that. For peace to reign.
Please. The enjoyment proper will soon begin.
Oh yes.
It will soon begin.
Oh yes.
Yes.
Eliza, I am happy. I thank God that the elders were able to have pity on you. Oh, you call this having pity on me? Yes, now. That was worse. Yes, that was worse. I thank God. I thank God too.
Auntie, you know they said you have to beg them when the food is ready.
Yes.
I think the meat is ready.
Hey.
So you have to go and beg them now.
I have to beg them. You have to beg them, but you have to help me and check. Make sure that they are complete. I have to beg them very, very well. Make sure they are complete. It's important that they are complete.
Okay. Me. I'm coming.
I have to beg them. Please check. Make sure they are complete. Oh? Go to begging. Let me ease myself.
Yes.
Yay! I'll start it together.
No. Thank you. Thank you.
Where is the cooler when you put the meat inside? The cooler? It's inside there. Just put it there. Let me get it.
Yes. No.
Bless you.
I love you, oh banana. Should now 1 + 1 supposed to make us two. Whether you good or bad, oh, not for me and you. Because 1 + 1 is equal to me.
Yes, I want to go out and see someone.
Nothing can be more depressing. Loving someone but can love you back.
You have to stop thinking about it for now. Just try and organize your life.
So you brought food for me? Huh? So you are this nice?
How can you say that? Have I not been nice to you since we've been living in this compound? Even before you went to marry me.
Gloria, frankly speaking, I can't believe that the manner I spoke to you yesterday, you will continue to be nice to me. Huh? Thank you so much for the food.
It's over now. I mean, no one owes the grudge against someone who was drunk. Eat your food before going out.
I will. And thank you again.
When you come back, we'll talk better.
Thank you so much.
Don't drink today, please.
I cross my heart. I promise you, I will not drink today. I will not. Eh? Thank you again for the food.
Our wife.
Hey, I am very, very sorry. I am very sorry. You know I am a woman, and we get angry over very little things. Biko, Baram, oh, okay, I see. T-boy, I greet you.
Please, don't mention their names, They are not here for you to recognize them.
I am sorry. I am very, very sorry. I will never ever speak to the Masquerade anyhow again. Neither will I even talk to my elders in a very rude manner. Baram, oh? Hey, let me go and bring the goat meat. I am very, very sorry.
Where people get meat from? If it is not meat, she said we should have a taste of it. Since we suffer to cook it. Even though it's against the tradition that women should have a taste of it.
It's good, it's good. You push it, taste it.
Elisa,
take it now.
I brought it for us to eat. At least we are the one that cook it. Only show my taste.
Yes, she tastes it.
I don't want any trouble. Before they will say I violated tradition again. No, I don't want any issues at all. Auntie, since when have you started respecting the elders?
I'm respecting them. I'm afraid of them, sir. Yeah, I don't want any problems at all. You know, I've already gone to beg them. I begged them. I'm happy. I'm at peace. Them too, they are happy. They are eating.
You changed though. This masquerade should always come so that it will tame you.
No, I'm tamed. I'm tamed.
I don't know.
That serves her right. She's a very stupid woman. This will make her to know and understand the kind of village she finds herself in.
Yes.
Yes, so.
Boys, you tried very well. You will really try.
Thank you.
Next time she tries this, we are going to eat 21 goats.
21?
9. See, I can't wait for her to cross my path again. Anytime she crosses my path, I will deal with her. By that time, we go give her another fan. She will bring the gold.
you okay?
Okay, go.
Obia, are you alright?
Obia.
The boy,
huh? Ofu? I don't know, Sholu.
Somebody tell me something, somebody tell me something. Bozona sinda, atona mwangu, Bozona sinda, na you bilambo, atona mwangu, na you bilambo, Bozona sinda, na you be Samson, atona mwangu, you know the fear, Bozona sinda, you come there on, atona mwangu, Bozona sinda. Madam Okunuka, Atona Mwangu, Waswanuka, Bozona Sinda, Madam Okunuka, Atona Mwangu, Baswanuka, Bozona Sinda, Atona Mwangu, Bozona Sinda.
Who locked this place? Where's the key?
What's wrong with you?
Hey! Who locked this place? The key?
Tits, what is wrong with
my stomach, I want it stool.
Stomach is paining you?
Yes.
When did it start? What did you eat?
Only this is not the right time to ask questions. Just the key.
The key to the toilet?
Key.
I left the key at Mazibe's house. Let me get it for you.
I will die before then. Let me find books.
I don't walk, I don't suffer, I don't run, I don't joke. Just
all
to
of
make
you
you
will
happy.
suffer. You will all eat meat in this village. Everybody, one by one.
Wanna what I say? I was a guinea come get me. No, copy when taking me. I am for an
Aman.
Okaka.
We have to do this for our late brother's sake.
That's true.
If not for us.
Yeah.
You know our brother. Naga would have seen the other side of the villagers.
Here.
Yota.
If what I'm trying.
What is it?
I have to make use of the toilet. If he ran home, that he wants to go and defecate. Now yourself, what did both of you eat?
Amaron.
All this well, I doubt if I can make it home because let me make use of the bush.
Somebody tell me something. Somebody tell me something.
What is wrong?
What is wrong?
Obia. Okaka.
Okaka, please make space for me. Make space for me there.
Chai, Uche, oh. Hey, I found fatal.
What did you eat that is making you to defecate like this?
My daughter, I don't know. I don't know if it's the meat. The meat we ate at Naka's house. Oh.
Meat? How can only meat be causing you running stomach, eh?
That's why I don't like eating goat meat. I don't like eating goat meat, oh. Chai. Afo.
Mama, well, let me go get your drugs.
Hey, Uche.
What is it, Papa?
Hey, Uche, go and buy me tissue. Hey, I am dying, Uche.
What is it now?
Nani, oh.
I am fooling.
Oh God, you know, since I came back, I've gone to toilet 3 times. So, Chai, oh alam, Chai, Obia, oh alam, now wait, let you. disappear. Oh.
Chibo, what is all this?
Wait.
What are we going to call this one? What are we going to call this one? No.
It's like it's coming again. It's like it's coming again. That is why I hate go to meet. Yes, I know of disgracing someone and making one purge like this.
Seems that you people put too much pepper and Maggi. You people will kill somebody one day.
No, Papa, we didn't though. Papa, I just can't tell why we are purging like this. I can't tell.
But it is not supposed to. It is not supposed to affect you people. I hope you did not eat off it too.
Just taste one. Just one. I ate only one. Because we cooked it. Now we have to taste it.
Oh! Hey! Did I tell you that women don't eat of it? I hope you people have not offended the gods.
No, Papa. No, Papa. If not, Mamuche would have been purging by now. But it's just us now. Papa, it's just us. Ome.
It's coming. It's coming. Hey.
Mama, Chelu, not on them. Oh, Mama, let's take.
Naka, Nwa Amadi. Has he gotten to this point?
You will not understand. I'm half dead here.
Hey. Sorry, oh. Sorry.
Should I quickly check the pot and bring more meat for you to eat?
Lisa. You want to kill me?
How?
Eh? You know I don't like pepper. Yet, you're happy because you did not eat the meat.
Why will I eat it? Why will I eat it? This is a sound of warning to all of you. Let me see. Next time, come and make me cook goat meat for you. This is the sound of the arrival of Agbaranwa. Oh, Eliza.
Eliza, I hope you are not the cause of what I am going through right now.
Naka, I hope that next time you people will not have the effrontery to order me to go and make goat meat pepper soup for you.
Hey!
Hi.
Eliza! So you...
Before you take your bottle, break my head. Before you will let that guy me see.
Stop holding your buttocks like that. Come on, eat more meat.
Before you will kata kudemiri. Think of the balloon. Honey, you can begin the sound monkey. My honey, you can begin the look monkey. Yeah, honey, you can begin the see monkey.
Babe.
How are you?
You're back.
How was your day?
Fine, thank you. How was hustling today?
Well, we've done it today. I thank God. Ure is not yet back.
No. Ben, I've told you to try to forget about her. She told me she's not coming back. What is important now is for you to forget about her and focus.
You really don't understand. You are talking about a woman I paid her dowry and traditional marriage.
Thank God you've not wedded her yet. Just go in, take off your clothes, have a warm bath. I'll fix something for you to eat.
Really? It's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ben,
Yes.
I'm doing all this for you to calm down. Forget about her and focus on your future.
I've had you. Thank you once again. Eh?
Okay.
Let me take off.
Okay, I'll quickly fix it. I'll make something for you.
Uche, where is your mother?
Papa, she have gone to the market.
Okay, tell her I have gone to see Ibe.
Okay, Papa. Papa, I told you that red oil work, but you didn't believe me. You see, it have stopped the purge.
Uche.
Papa,
Hey! Talk of the devil. And it appears.
Hey, Papa, don't tell me that it has come again, no. Hey.
Uche, wait.
Aye! Papa!
Uche!
What is
Yeah.
Hey.
Uche! Mama, wake up. Chai, Mama, what is it?
Uche!
Don't tell me it has come again.
Yes, it has come again, Mama. I've messed up myself.
Go to the toilet, Mama.
Chai! Your father is in the toilet. Hey! Uchemba, I can't wait to... Mama, what is smelling? Don't tell me you have defecated again. Mama, Papa is in the toilet. Naka. Oh. I forgot that you have rented the space for yourself inside the toilet. So, how is your new house doing? Anyways, give me some money. I need to get something to eat outside.
Eliza, what did you do to me?
Am I the one that forced you to eat golden pepper soup? If I had called you and said, Naka, please, do not eat that golden pepper soup, would you have listened? Your problem is here. It's your long throat. That is your problem. But give me money, let me look for something to eat. I'm very
Eliza, I know you. I know you. How can everybody be suffering except you? How?
Yeah. Give me money. Let me go and look for something to eat.
This man you're looking at is empty. If you're going to buy something, buy for me too. I need to eat something. Yes. Yes. So stop saying, I'm empty. Eat something. Yes.
Yeah, okay. Give me something. Let me go and buy food and eat.
You will kill me. Empty. I'll just die.
Naka.
Before you take your bottle, break my head. Before you take your dagger, stab my chest. I'm gonna take a
Naka.
Do you still remember me? Yeah. Am I an old woman? Of course I remember you. Are you not Ngozi? Yes. The one I was trying to fight for that got me into trouble.
I'm sorry, eh? I heard what the stupid boy and his friend did to you. That made the elders to find you. That's why I came to say that I'm sorry.
Ngozi, you shouldn't tell me you're sorry. Rather, you should look for them and tell them sorry. Because I have given them a dose of what good music is like.
What do you mean?
Do not worry. All I am saying is that you shouldn't pity me. You should rather go to them and look at them one by one and say, hey, Ndo, oh, Ndo.
Yes, don't worry, eh? Anyhow you need my help, I will give it to you.
Hey! Stupid. In fact, you and I are going to be friends because I am planning a part 2 of the dose I want to give to them.
Eh?
Yes! Hey! Let me quickly get money to buy something so we'll talk as we are walking. Hey! Come and sit down there. At last, I have seen one person in this village that has sense.
Mazibi, look at me. Eh? What's going on? Anywhere I go around now, I carry tissue in my pocket. See, I carry tissue in my pocket. What's going on?
Okaka. I don't know. I don't know. Even me you are asking. Eh? Everywhere I go, I carry tissue paper in my pocket as well.
God, who is after us? Eh? Who? Eh? I would have done that like you. Last night, eh? Just one small thing. I would have gone, oh. If not for my wife, oh. If not for my wife. Hi.
Okaka. Eh? Not only you and your family. The same thing happened to me and my family.
Eh?
Yes, my wife and my daughter last night.
Your wife and your daughter? Mbao. Ah, but they're not men now. Jilo, I hope they did not taste out of the meat. They're not supposed to taste out of that meat now.
Okaka.
Eh? Agini.
Listen. This is a secret. They both confided in me that they ate out of the meat.
Hey! 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 Hello! Hello! They are not supposed to do that now. Oh, why? Agini. Gini. No, wait now. Women, they always put us into problem. Eh? What? Obia. Hey, I see.
Papa, what are we going to call this? Would it be that Mama ate the meat that she was not supposed to eat that is causing all this?
Uche, I don't know. This is why we say women are stubborn. Now look at it. The whole of us are suffering.
Okay, Papa, but something needs to be done fast now. We can't leave Mama like this.
You have to go and call my brothers. Tell them that I want to see them. I want to discuss with them. Okay, run.
They will leave without you. Very bad people. Ichie! Look, sir.
I want to talk to you about something.
No, because not now. I'm coming.
Why?
I'm coming. I said not now. Elisa, because also, Papa. What the hell is it? I beg, I said not now. Wait, Chief.
Ichie! I beg you, come, let's go. Let's go.
They love to eat goat meat.
Yesterday, I ate this goat meat. For this, will not be safe.
Okay? The boy. The boy. Since yesterday, I ate that goat meat. My life has not remained the same. It's bush, shit. You know, they say shit, meat, shit. I go farm since morning. I dey farm. I no fit do anything. If I say make I do one thing, na so I go dey weak. Na so the thing dey tire me. You go do the boy. You own he good. You even went to the farm. The boy, my own is in fact, if I stay here more than two minutes, I go back to where they come from. Shit. Well, I hope you never shit for one. It's already no. Now I tell you, my brother, I don't even swear. Say, you see this village where this one? Even I enter town, from today and henceforth, I don't decide I'm on my own. Say, nothing go ever make me chop goat meat. Even if I dey waka like this for road, person tell me say, hey, deep boy, Biaketa, no come and chop meat. Mbia, if I come to say na good meat, my brother. Before you dey say go meat, before you dey mention that meat finish, one Mbia go pack up. I go blow you like this. Your two teeth go jump together, so that meat, goat meat, you go cut. You go know what you do yourself. You go suffer this thing why they suffer so. You feel me, my brother? I don't go chop again. Shut up. What if somebody default masquerade again? If they like, make the phone, bring anything, even if not that, anything where they want, anything, meat, go to meat. My brother, I know they chop again. As you see me so, I dey rush down there. Because I come back from farm too, I don't do anything. What? I won't go meet this man, make he give me small drugs. He came now, but me, my boy. I know they go farm again. Make I go out. Take a music, okay? Papa, please wait. Please. Papa, there's something I want to tell you.
What is it?
I want to go to the city and see my girlfriend today.
Your girlfriend?
Yes, Papa.
Are you the one to go to the city or she is the one to come and see you? Didn't you tell her your problem? Huh?
Papa, I did not tell her. Besides, she's working, so she can't come.
Lies. Even on Sunday. Please don't go anywhere. Just stay back and calm down first, please. Don't go anywhere. She is suffering. Is this how she is going to live all her life?
Yeah, I just want to rest.
Yeah. Sorry. I'm sorry. Thank you.
Oh, really? I didn't know you are still going to show me love after the way I spoke to you. Anyway, thank you. Thank you so much.
You don't have to remember the past. Your former wife was my best friend in this compound. In fact, let me give you a little message.
Hello?
we call this? What do we call this? As I'm talking with you now, my wife and my daughter are still lying down weak at home.
Hi. But this is not funny. What is going on? What is going on? I don't go anywhere now without carrying tissue in my pocket, as if I'm a madman. Now this thing is not funny. Look for a way to take your wife to the hospital.
Papa, Uncle is very right. Please take us to the hospital. Mama is losing her strength.
My brothers, I called both of you here because my wife confessed she ate the meat.
Did it? Yes. Hey, hello. That was exactly the confession that Ibe's wife and daughter said. They said they ate out of the meat too. Chelu, could you mean that they are the cause of this our problem?
Who knows?
Yeah.
But we have to look for a remedy. We have been running up and down since yesterday. You see this stomach? There's nothing inside again.
Let us not think this way. Yes, I don't think that's the reason. Let us first of all think of how to give ourselves medication.
You are right. You are very, very correct.
Hey! Hey!
See, so you want to tell me, say, okay, for your mind, you think, say, you don't win me a bill? For your mind.
See, I don't care what you are talking about. I have told you this thing before, that it will never work. So stop showing me that you are the man.
See, no be say, see, look at you go see, if they talking like this, it can't like say with the quarrel. We know the quarrel. Just from your church mind. Understand? See, look at you now. Tell me how you want them. I don't say you be woman. Just tell me.
I am still saying what I was saying. It will never work.
See, excuse me, that's you look me face to face, eyeball to eyeball. Now they open my they tell me say he can work. See, make I tell you, now, what you did now, it didn't mean, it didn't mean. If you did mean my side, that's why I would do me for your side. You feel me? As you don't put on like that, may we do cross the counterbalance, check everybody, may we know who they owe each other. As it be so now, you see, all that my money, we don't the chop since we don't the collect, both from side, right, left and right. You go pay me the money here and now. It be the mean. I mean, you know when you bought a poby, one way do you want? It be I didn't mean, I didn't mean right now. See.
What is it? You don't want to do again?
No, I will do. I will do.
What I do?
You like to eat meat. You like to eat meat. You like to eat meat, right?
Don't kill us.
Do not worry. Meat will kill you. Before I kill you, I will first kill this useless man. You like to eat meat.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
What is it?
Hey!
What is it?
Elisa, what happened? Elisa, tell me you don't have a hand in what I'm suffering from.
What kind of nonsense is this now? How can you scare me like that? If I have a hand in what you're suffering from, what difference will it make? You just shouted and scared me.
Elisa, Mamuje and some other people have been taken to the hospital. I just had a dream.
it became obvious to me that you have a hand in what I'm suffering from.
Hey, Elisha, do not call my name in what you're suffering from. I wasn't the one who forced you to eat goat meat pepper soup. If you know you want to go to the hospital and join them, then go there and take a bed. Don't disturb me. Shouting and scaring me.
Listen, you have a hand in what I'm suffering from. Oh,
God. Before you take your bottle, break my head. Before you take your dagger, stab my chest.
Hey, yeah, flush that out like this. Hey, yeah.
So you mean you finally did it with him? Stay there now. I told you I am going to have Ben. Ure is not meant for him, rather.
Gloria, if you ask me, I would say it's not fair. It's not fair. Oh.
What is not fair? What is not fair? I beg. You needed to see the way he was screaming when I was giving it to him.
I can't wait to take him for you. You're even watching this?
Before I come. Now you for watching. You don't know I'm now the madam of the house. Mrs.
Naka, let us believe that what happened has happened. It is now very evident, very, very evident before everybody that you have a bad wife. So, for you not to die before your time, you need to have something doing.
Hey, what would you have me do? What? The farm. I'm trying, I'm trying. But farming is hard work.
Naga, I know that you cannot climb palm tree. So, I would suggest that if you can ride Okada.
I cannot ride Okada now.
Naga, you learn. You are a man. You learn. I will take you to Elias to give you one motorcycle on hire purchase. I will surety you. Yes, I will stand as the guarantor. That is what he has been doing for our youth, and many of them have been surviving on it.
That is wonderful. Thank you very much. Thank you. It's just that I am worried, I am scared. Do you know, every time I fear for the kind of trouble my wife will raise in this village. I don't know the kind of trouble she will cause for me. It scares me.
Calm down. Naka, calm down, you are a man. We cannot sit down here and watch her kill you. No, we won't take that in the village. So, when did it? My concern for you is for you to have something doing. Something that will bring money to you. Once you have money with you, I know you will not die before your time. Well, Naka, we'll see you later. Alright, ready.
My fellow women, what I am saying is that this coming August meeting, we all have to be as alerts, and nobody is going to dress as extravagant. You all heard what the priest said. In order for us not to have competition and envy amongst us, all of us, we are going to sew China whites. Wow. I hope you understand me very well.
It's a very good idea. Beautiful. Because it will curtail envy and strife amongst women.
If this thing continues, we'll begin to have problems with our husbands.
My fellow women, oh. My fellow women. Nina mama.
TWO women. TWO Nene Mama. I greet you.
Eliza, you're not supposed to be here. This is executive meeting. Why? Why?
Why am I not supposed to be here? Hey, are you not women like myself? Huh? Anyways, I have come here to register myself for the women meeting.
But Eliza, this meeting is about the August meeting uniform I told you about. You should have stayed at home. Let me come and tell you our resolve.
Forget that one. When you told me about this meeting, did I not tell you I do not want to join any useless meeting? Did I not tell you? But anyways, I changed my mind. Because I know that if I join you, by the time I am done with you, you'll be begging me to become your cheerleader.
Eliza, Eliza, please go home. Go home. We will come to the house and talk with you. Lava, go.
Maji, please, Mamuchu, please, I am begging you. Take your co-wife home. Take her out of this place. We have limited time for this meeting. When she is ready to follow the due process, she can then come and register herself. Please.
What due process do you want me to follow? What due process do you want me to follow? Eh? That's your husband with his big stomach and his egg-rolled nose. Does he follow due process when he's pursuing all the small girls in this village?
Eliza! Hey! Eliza, let's go home.
Am I the one you are talking to? I don't understand. Are you talking to me?
Are you talking to me? Yes. I am talking to you. Yes. Do not worry. Very soon, I will bring the evidence for you to see by yourself. I have heard about him. So, do not come here and come and make yanga and make yanga. Eliza, hey! Eliza, go home.
Hey! See, she's crying. Eliza, go home. Can you imagine?
Hey! Eliza.
Hello. So this is true. This is something else.
Stay there now. These days, you don't wait for husband to come. You go after it. When a girl like Ure doesn't know how to be patient, I'll be patient for her.
Wasn't it obvious to you that she has a mental problem? So, you've finally taken over her husband, right?
She had a mental problem, so how is that my fault?
But you were the one that asked her to leave. Don't tell me you asked her to leave just to take over.
Hey! Just stop it. Stop it! What's the meaning of this? Fine, I advised her to leave, but that was for her own good. If she had killed Ben, she would have gone to prison, you know.
Okay, if it works for you, no wahala.
Of course, it's already working for me. As you can see, these are Ben's shirts. I just finished ironing them. I want to go to his room and drop it before he comes back. Oh, Mrs. Ben.
Honey, come on. I have made it.
What is going on here?
Eh?
I said, what is going on here?
I said we have made it.
We have made it. Hey! Mazi has done it for me. He took me to Mazelias, who gives people Okada on hire purchase. And he gave me this one. So you see, we will no longer be hungry. We have made it. We have arrived.
Hey! Hey, whoa!
You're not happy?
I'm very happy. Naka, I'm very, very happy. You are a very, very foolish man. You are a very, very foolish man. So, Okada, that is the help Ichie rendered to you? Okada kwa? Hey!
What is wrong with this now? What is wrong? Don't you know that with this Okada business, I'll make a lot of money. Then we can go back to the city.
Hey! So this is how we ended up in the village, finally. Hey! Do not worry. Do not worry. All I know is that you should begin to think of a business that I am going to start. Else,
you will know I'm a mad person.
Honey! Honey, that one is not a problem. You see, this Okada business, by the time you know it, I have made a lot of money and I open a very big shop for you in this village. Big one.
With 1,000 per day. Don't think 500.
Don't think about the 1,000. Think about the big shop. Think about it. I knew you will like it. You will like it. See, it's our own. Right, small now. Take a ride. You will like it. It's now our own. No more problem.
Hi. How did I meet a foolish person like this, let alone marrying him? How did we meet?
We fell in love. Ride a little. It's our own. That is what I'm talking about. What are you doing?
Supposed to make us two. What are you good or bad? Now for me and you.
Lift it. Wait. This has to ride it.
Wait. I will teach you now. You don't know how to ride it. Just think about the big shop. Think about the big shop. The big shop. I'll open a big shop for you now.
You get injured. You get injured. You get injured now.
As long as it's you now.
Don't let me play with you. Am I playing with you? Am I playing with you?
Leave my beer.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Did you and Nnaka succeed?
Oh yes, we did.
Okay.
Nnaka is now a proud owner of a motorcycle.
That's a go. You have done very well for him. Now it's not left to him. It's left to you to work hard. Let him work hard. If he likes, let him not work hard. That's his own cup of tea.
Okay, can't leave it. See, we have to make sure he works hard. Yeah. If not, the whole villagers will begin to say, we pushed him to get Okada and we refused to help him manage it.
I disagree with you. I disagree with you. Must we teach him everything?
I wonder.
Must we teach him everything? If we are to teach him everything, that means that the three of us will have to line up by his bedside at night and teach him how to make love to his wife.
I'm talking about his wife. Eliza is getting out of hand. Her trouble is too much for this screen dread. We must find a solution to Eliza's problem. Let's look for a way to solve her problem. Yeah. Before it gets too late,
Okaka.
Okay.
Okaka.
All right.
Eliza, leave Eliza's issue. Eliza's problem is not a problem. We shall deal with it.
Okay.
Okay. Eliza is like the anthill. When the anthill wants to turn itself to a deity, the gods will cause rain to fall. Okay. Yes. Yes. We'll deal with how it is.
Somebody tell me something, whoa. Somebody tell me something. Tell me what I don't know. Tell me what I want here. She know the fear. I think so. She know they die, yo.
What is the problem? I hope all is well.
Nnaka, don't cheer me. All is not well. Let your wife come out here. For the past 3 days now, I traveled, and when I come back, I couldn't enter my house, all because of your wife.
How? What did she do this time?
Honey! Honey!
What has my wife done this time?
Let her come out and follow me to my house and tell my wife where and when she saw me with the small girls. Honey? Honey?
I will not follow you to your house. And whatever it is you are rubbing on that bike will go back to you 100 folds. Did I lie? Yes, I told your wife. Did I lie?
Naga, can you see it? Can't you see the way she's laughing? She did it and she did more than this. She has succeeded in imposing my wife's mind against me. She did. She better get ready to follow me to my house. To go and explain to my wife that she lied against me. Because I don't have any girl. She has not seen me with any girl in this village.
I will not come and tell her I was lying. Let me tell you, I will come to your house at my own convenience. And I will bring all the evidence and show to your wife. Did you hear me? You think I'm afraid of you? Even if you like, let smoke be coming out of your nose. I will not follow you.
If your wife refused to follow me to my house to go and explain to my wife that she lied against me, you hear me about you see guy Dikeh.
Ichie biko, sorry. Go. I'll sort it out with her.
Che, go home.
Go.
Madam Trouble.
Honey, why did you do that?
Why? You shut up your mouth. Will you shut up your mouth? You are here. You are happy. You have only 1 month more to give me the money for the business. 1 month. Honey.
Before you take your bottle, break my head. Before you take your dagger, stab my chest.
My love.
Ngwano chegodilu, ucho nyadinja. Before you were kata kutemeli. Before you were kalame moi. Bakwa gulekio, makanucho nyadinja. Upon a man propose, but God disposed. Walking up on one. I may
What is it?
What do you mean, what is it? What do you mean? Your brothers are after me. If I were you, I would advise them not to look for my trouble. Because me, I will give them trouble over those. You and them will suffer for it. All of you.
How me?
Anyway, to start, give me the money you promised me.
Only not again today now. Not again today now. I don't have money. I don't. See, you know things are very hard. I've not been making much money. Bad season, recession, everything.
That's it. Yes, that's it. Give me the money you promised me. Did you not hear what your brother said? They said I was making trouble because I am idle. I do not want to be idle. And I am not a lazy person like you. So give me the money you promised to give to me for my business.
See, even Mazi that gave me this Okada on hire purchase, I've not been able to pay him. Last weekend I didn't complete his money. This weekend I am not sure I will even complete his money.
How is that my business? How is that my business?
Understand.
Give me the money!
Ijowa.
What does that mean?
What?
You looked at me and you said Ijowa. What does that mean?
I wasn't talking to you. I was.
What does Ijowa mean?
No, I was telling myself. Ijowa. How did I tell
Hey! You looked at me and you said Ijowa.
Honey?
Huh?
Honey, relax.
You think you're mad? I am mad. My name is mad.
I know.
Do you think you are mad?
Honey.
Do you think you are mad?
See, it's because I love you. That's why I'm leaving all these things.
You must explain Ijowa. You're not going anywhere today.
No, sometimes when you get angry, I love you more.
What does Ijowa mean?
Neighbors will not understand.
What does Ijowa mean? I'm asking you.
Just
my madness is in different shapes and forms. You think you are mad?
I know.
You look at me and you said Ijuwa. Ijuwa is not for you now. Only the Ijuwa is not for you. What does Ijuwa mean? It's just Ijuwa.
Now why you come the run? Now why you come the run?
Has your wife gone mad?
I said now where you come the run go? Now why you come the run?
Just leave that one. Let's welcome our new wife.
But she say she know the fear.